Hey guys, it's Bella here, and today we are going to be opening up some surprise eggs. And these are not the end-all be-all eggs. I got them at the superstore. And also, these aren't the regular cutie marks for the My Little Ponies. These are Sweetie Belle, Apple Bloom, and Scootaloo's only cutie marks. This is what I think that the cutie marks might be once they grow up. And it's the same cutie marks as the older girls, like their sisters, only it's way different. It has different colors and different sizes. So let's go ahead and open up our first egg. And this egg is Sweetie Belle. So this first egg is Sweetie Belle. And inside we have a tiara for a very special fun pony. I'm guessing who that could be. Now we're going to open up Apple Bloom. And it's an apple cider smoothie. And finally, Scootaloo. And it is a razor. Well, it's an announcer's microphone to announce the winning goals. Now that we have those together, can you guess who these are for? If you guessed Rarity, Applejack, Rainbow Dash, and you're right. Now I know I told you that the eggs were Scootaloo, Apple Bloom, and Sweetie Belle, but just because that it's presents for their sisters, so that's why I did all these. Thanks for watching.